Hey guys, this is Franklin from Angleworth Studios. In this video, I'm gonna talk about curves and arcs. Okay, let's go to the top view. You can find the curves tab from here. Just expand this to the viewport so that we can use it from here. Let's see what all are the options in curves. Before that, just place some points for reference. If I draw a curve using this control point curve, then you can see that they don't go through the points. Here they don't go through the points. Okay, the second one is interpolate curve. If I draw a curve using this function, you can see that the curves are passing through the points, which means the curves will pass through wherever you click. And this is the function which we use most of the time when we are working in Rhino. Okay, let's see the next one. Interpolate curve on surface. Using this command, we can draw a curve on surface. For example, in the perspective view, let's create a sphere right here. Just click on the function. It will ask select the surface to draw curve on. Just select the surface, then you can draw it on the surface like this. Let me show you again. Just click on that and select the object and you can draw on it. Okay, let's see the other one. Here we have sketch. Using this function, you can randomly sketch anywhere on the viewport. Just click on that, you can sketch however you want and press enter. This will turn into the curves. If you want to sketch on a surface, just right click on this function. Yeah, you can see if I hold the cursor on this function, it will show you the left click will be the sketch and the right click is the sketch on surface. Just right click on this function and it's asking select the surface to sketch on. Just select the surface and you can draw it randomly. Okay, let's move on to the next one. And here we have spiral. Using this command, we can draw a spiral. Just click on that. Now it's asking the axis, which is the direction. Let's give a random direction. Now it's asking the first radius. I'm gonna give 15 and press enter. And now it's asking second radius. I'm gonna give 1 and press enter. If you want to change the number of turns in the spiral, then just click on that. Then you have to change the value in the turn. Let's give 15, press enter. Then we have to give the start point and also the end point. Now you can see the turns of the springs is increased to 15. Okay, let's see the next one. Is tween curve. In this function, we can create curves between two curves. Let's draw curves first. Just click on this command. Now it's asking select the start and end curves. I'm gonna select these two curves. Here in the number, you can specify the count of the curves in between these two curves. I'm gonna give 3 and press enter and enter again. It will create 3 curves in between these two curves. Okay, that's it about curves right now. Let's see about the arcs. Let's close it, and this is the arc function. I'm gonna expand this to this viewport. Let's go to the top view. Here the first one is center start angle. Just click on that. Before that, I'm gonna draw a reference line so that you can understand easily. Now just click on that. It will ask the center of the arc. I want to draw an arc here, so this is the center. Just click on this, and now it's asking start of the arc. Just give the start point and the end point. Just like that you can create an arc. When you select the arc, you will see the control points. If you want to create an arc with more control points, just click on this and select deformable. Then you can choose the point counts, which is the control points. You can specify how many control points you want. I'm gonna give 10. If I draw arc now, it will have totally 10 control points, so that you can manipulate the control points if it's needed. Okay, let's see the second one is start, end and point. In this function, first you have to pick a start point and then end point, and then you can create an arc through this point. The difference between the first one is, first one you can create an arc from the center point, and the second one you can create an arc from the start and end point. Let's see the third one. Third one is similar to the second one. First you have to click a start point and then end point. Then you have to give a direction to create a curve. And here we have arc through points. In this function you can create an arc using points. Let's place some reference points. Now just click on this function and it's asking select the points to build curve. Just select all points and press enter. It will create arc through points. And one more command I missed in the curve section, which is curve through points, right here. This is similar to the arc through points. You can create a curve using points. Before that, just place more points and just type curve through points. Here it is. Click on that. Same, it will ask select points to build curve. I'm gonna select all these points and press enter and enter again. It will create a curves through these points. If you want to create a polyline instead of this curve, just type the same command, curve through points, and same, select all points and press enter. And now you have to change the degree value. You have to give 1 and press enter. It will create a polyline instead of curves. If you give more than 1, it will create a curve. If you give 1, it will create a polyline. Okay, that's it for today guys. See you on the next video.